My dear students, I am going to distinguish between two words REAP, RIP, and RIP, RIP. Both the spelling is different, but the pronunciation is same. REAP, RIP, it means to cut down the harvest. As we can say, farmers are reaping the paddy crops in the field now. Now, RIP, RIP, it means to tear. As we can say, children are reaping the old clothes in the field now. So these are the two sentences which distinguish between REAP, RIP, and RIP, RIP. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.